Hey everybody, Stuart Macadam here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the Facebook business page settings that you can use to adjust anything that you want to on your Facebook page for various reasons. Now before we get started, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So with that said, let's get straight into it. So here we are on my Client File Recruitment Australia's business page, and to get started with the settings, you just got to scroll down on the left hand column and select settings, and this is going to show you page visibility, visitor posts, a whole range of other information that you need in order to get set up with your page. And you can determine whether or not you want to have certain things running or not. And one of the examples that a lot of people look at here is the profanity filter. It's turned off here. Some people like to have it set on strong so that anyone that's using rude language can have their comments filtered out or even hidden. So that's one useful feature right there. Another one is also with comment ranking too, and that's the one where most relevant comments are by default. If you want to remove that out, you just select there and you can select save changes. So this is a useful little tool if you're looking to give your page a little bit more customization. I'm not going to run through everything right here because it's pretty self-explanatory, but it just gives you a chance to have more control and more say over the level of engagement, how people are engaging with your page, and where you want to go with the overall use. So I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you did, and don't forget to smash that like button. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.